Alright, so on this one I'm going to create a cul-de-sac that's dynamic with an alignment. It's pretty easy, so let's begin. So we'll go polyline. We'll just say the offset 12 feet for the lane. And then you need to come up here to alignments, edit geometry, or the layout. Alright, so I need a fixed line, 2 points. So I pick here, here, and here, and here. Alright, because this is where we want the circle. Alright, so now go to fixed curve, center point, and radius. Right here. Alright, so this is the point that I want it for the center. Enter that counterclockwise, and we'll say 50 feet. Alright. Now we got to fill it. So pre-fill it between two entities. And radius. Less than 80. Reverse 25. So it does that. Alright, now we just pretty much do the same thing again. The circle, and then pick the line. Or reverse 25. And there we go. And the reason why this is pretty cool is because it's all dynamic. So if I want to move it over, it's all, get rid of these. It's all dynamic. See how straight it goes. See if I can make that straight. So that would be it. And then you could mess with their so there's no labels or anything. So everything's tangent. And then go in here and modify this. When you say, make this shorter. Let's say 50. We'll say, I don't know, 100. And everything's, we change these to 20. So, change this back down. So that's radius, center radius. We'll go 25. 50. Anyways, I think it's pretty cool how you can do that. So if you copy, like if you offset this, let's see, offset 5, and you copy that, you know, you start moving stuff around, it's just not going to, you know, it's just not going to work. So doing it this way is actually pretty neat. So that's the tip for today. Thanks.